I was looking for the marine flooring. I've known about it for a few years. Really didn't pull the trigger on something like that yet. I contacted 4 companies. One of those companies was Robert. Within a day, he called me back. We talked extensively. He told me how he operates, threw a number at me. I said, okay. So I waited about a week to see if I would hear from someone else. I didn't hear from anybody else. So I called Robert again, and here we are.
Behind the scenes, this is your boat. This is all of the data that actually came off of your boat.
We brought the boat over right away. He had not seen it at all. He helped me put it together so how we can get a between sport look, comfort look. Once he called me up, said, hey, come get your boat. I came over, I was dumbfounded. I could not believe the quality. And I looked at every corner. I looked at all the seams. I stood back and checked to see how they all came together. Being in the construction industry, if you see one tile floor here and a tile floor over there, we look to see if they come together the way they're supposed to, even though they're not connecting. I couldn't find anything. And I truly believe he probably did make a mistake, and he probably went back and took it out and fixed it. And you'll never know that, but you're not supposed to. You're supposed to come get the finished product and it be finished and it's done right.